Meta's Performance Talks, where we talk with business leaders on the latest trends and insights on what's driving their business growth and performance. The brand we are spotlighting today is redefining how Indians adopt health and wellness in the most personalized way. Mosaic Wellness was founded in 2020 and in less than 3 years has created a niche for itself in the ever expanding healthcare industry in this country. I'm thrilled to welcome Revant Bhate, founder and CEO of Mosaic Wellness, to this conversation.
Thanks a lot, Nitin, for having me here. It's a pleasure to be part of this. Just as a quick intro to the audience about our business, we essentially run three health platforms: Man Matters for men's health, Peabody Wise for women's health, and Little Joys for kids' health. And it's been an interesting journey.
I know you've been a serial entrepreneur and an avid investor yourself, and we all know AI has been having a moment under the sun, Revant. Uh, and AI also probably truly going to be transformative for businesses like yourself in next 3 and 5 years. Mosaic has been a very early adopter of AI. So talk to us about that journey, how AI has really helped your business.
So I don't know about the serial entrepreneur part, but at least I've been operating in the startup ecosystem in the last 15 years or so. And one clear insight that at least I had in this business was that we had to leverage technology. Now, what we are doing in elective health and wellness is trying to help consumers identify, get some actionable insights as to how they can get on the journey to healthcare. Second, if we could help them accurately diagnose as to why are they in the situation that they are in and sort of personalize solutions for them. Now, part of this was maybe one of our go-to-market strategies was doing doctor consultations. But in the end, it's not scalable to do one-to-one doctor consultations. And as a technology business, we wanted to figure out how can we scale that. Where AI helped us is essentially reduce the load on doctors. So, for example, today we have about 2 million scalp images of men in India, where we could annotate those images and sort of help the doctors arrive at an early diagnosis without having to spend 10 minutes on a conversation as such. So, if you could take a photograph of the customer and then map it to where we have got as to the relative grading of different stages of hair loss for other customers, at least the doctor's job became much more easier. So I think we've definitely managed to sort of start leveraging technology. We have a long way to go, and I think it's so exciting to see the kind of progress that's happening in the AI ecosystem.
No, that's a great point. In fact, health is a hard industry to crack in the country. On a broader context, how do you see AI changing health tech as an industry in the country?
Fundamentally, healthcare in the last 50, 60 years has largely been around chronic and acute problems. Elective healthcare or self care is something that we are now coming back to. And it's a big thing in the West, it's a big thing in developed nations. As we become a more aspiring nation of individuals, we are sort of investing a little bit into our health as well, proactively. And that requires a time as well as a money commitment. Now, if you look at the infrastructure that we have available for healthcare, it will always be for the masses. You will always have to cater to the billion plus Indians who need it for acute, chronic, surgical, interventions as such. And therefore, I think the advent of technology is going to be very, very helpful to reduce the costs of healthcare. We believe that as more and more companies start adopting different facets of AI, different segments of getting people on the journey, the diagnosis, the personalization, the probability of getting consumers onto a new habit, all of that will sort of become easier with AI. And we are seeing the advent of that, using some of these aspects ourselves. We believe other companies will pick up different aspects, and overall as an ecosystem, we should definitely benefit.
Got it. So at Meta, we've been investing in AI quite considerably. You're fairly familiar with that. We have a product suite called Advantage Suite of Products, and Mosaic has been one of the very early adopters and a very consistent adopters of one of our AI product called Advantage Shopping Campaigns. Talk about that journey, how this product, and specifically as a founder, where you have this lens of growth and profitability, how has ASC been performing in that sense from your standpoint?
We've been able to scale our business to 2x in the last 1 year while keeping the ROAS the same. Now, usually to do that, I'm not saying it was not possible, you just require a lot more people, a lot more manual intervention. Fundamentally, it's been phenomenal to you leverage ASC to automate a lot of the business use cases without having to worry about drop in performance or drop in profitability as such. So we are happy and we hope that it continues to scale and help us automate more and more parts of our business.
Fantastic, Revant. It's been an insightful and invigorating conversation. Definitely, there's areas that we are very excited to work on, and we're committed to keep working on those things that help business owners drive growth and profitability like yourself. So, thank you again for your time. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.